and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to make a very easy project. Again, we're going to make use of this mercerized cotton in double pull. I'll be using the 2.5mm crochet hook. We have our yarn needle, a cute button, and my scissor. So let's get started. Set this all aside. Take our yarn, our thread or yarn, so to start with, make your slip knot, and chain 12. On the third chain from the hook, make 1 half double crochet. And make half double crochet on all the remaining chains. On our last chain, we're going to make 2 half double crochet. So we made our 1 half double crochet and we're going to make another one. And we're going to work on the other side, and when you reach the last chain, we're going to make 1 more half double crochet. So you can work on your tail as you go along. You can also make use of whatever scrap yarn you have, because this will not be consuming so much yarn. Any yarn of your choice, any yarn on your stocks. This is just a small amount of yarn. So when we reach our last chain, make 1 more half double crochet. And now I can cut this one. And we have here our first chain, and we're going to slip stitch. Next round, chain 1, and from where you slip stitch, you're going to make 1 half double crochet again. And we're just going to continue doing half double crochet. So just continue doing in rounds. We're not going to make any slip stitch. This project is also great for beginners since we're not doing any gauge on this one. This is totally up to you how long you want, how many stitches you want for your foundation chain. You want your coin purse to be bigger than this, it's up to you. This is just my preference. I want it to be a coin purse and at the same time keychain. So continue doing your half double crochet round without doing any slip stitch. So now I am happy with the height of my coin purse, and I made 1 2 3 4 5 rows. So I stopped on the side and now we're going to make the flap. So we're not going to do any more in rounds, rather we're just going to make it in rows. So chain 1 and turn, and for this first row we're going to make use of the front loop only. If you see these V stitches, we're going to make use of this this one, only the front loop. So normally we're just going to insert our hook on both loops, but this time we're going to make use of only the front loop. So yarn over, make your first half double crochet on the first chain using the front loop only. Again, it's a bit tricky sometimes, you know. So now we reach our end. So we're not going to do on the front one, only at the back. So chain one again and turn. This time we're going to make use of both loops. So yarn over and make your half double crochet the normal way. Good thing on this project is it is useful. You can make use of your scrap yarn, and at the same time it's very easy to make. Don't forget the last stitch. Chain one and turn again. So it's up to you how long you want your flap. Again, don't forget your last stitch. Chain one and turn. So for me, this will be my last row. So I'm going to make a chain. I'm going to make my half double crochet. And we're going to find where the middle part is. So we have reached the middle part, and on the middle part, when you find the stitch where the middle is, make one slip stitch, and you can make your chain depending on how big your button is. In my case, I'll make 6. And then we're going to go back where we slip stitch, and we're going to do another slip stitch. And continue with our half double crochet on the remaining chains. To be able for us to use this as a keychain, we need to have this keyring, and we can just put it on the side. Whichever side you want. So now we are done with our coin purse keychain. And this is what I have made so far, in a variety of colors as well. And this is available again on my shop. You can check the link on the description down below. If you don't have the time to make, or you don't have if you don't know how to crochet, this is a perfect gift or souvenir and giveaway as well. So just check my shop. The link will be on the description down below. So thank you for watching. Happy crocheting everyone, and God bless.